You could run with that, I reckon. Come on guys, let's go, yeah?
Yeah, well, the boot camp and the personal training, highly recommended. If you want to be pushed outside your comfort zone and you want results, yeah, couldn't recommend it anymore.
Let's go to multi!
I've done the last 4 body overhaul challenges. I do them because they keep me motivated, they keep me on task, and they're just so much fun. The group thing is just great. We all get together, have a laugh, keep each other motivated, and yeah, the trainers are fantastic. The personal training is just really good. They're so enthusiastic about what they do, about their diet, the nutrition. The whole package is just fabulous. I've had amazing results.
Nice job around there and back to the left. Big swing, full swing. Atta boy. Knock that sucker into the ground. Well done. All about balance and strength.
My name's Bonnie and I joined Body Overhaul because I walked into a fabulous seminar one day and had a lady announce how she was super enthused at my upcoming pregnancy. Unfortunately I wasn't pregnant, I was just fat, and that motivated me enough to come to Body Overhaul. So now I don't look like I'm pregnant. But there's so many other benefits that Body Overhaul has given me. I'm an asthmatic, my asthma's improved, I sleep better, and I just have such a better lifestyle, and I owe that all to Body Overhaul.
No pump squats, right down.